This is Waves Mix Unlock, and it's a real-time stem separator that runs right here in StudioVerse Audio Effects. Used to be called Studio Rack, but now it's called StudioVerse Audio Effects. Now, right now, you can get this for free as long as you have version 17 of any Waves plugin. So let's say you want to rebalance a vocal or drums or something, but you don't have the original files. No problem, you can do it with the full mix. You can also do a ton of other things with Mix Unlock. Let me show you here how it works. So here we have a fully mixed song.
Lingers in the air, but she's gone, and it's more than
But the vocal is a little bit dull, right? If you don't have the original files, no problem, we can use Mix Unlock. So I'll just grab StudioVerse Audio Effects, throw it right on the track here. Now from there, I'll just click right there and choose Mix Unlock. Now we have two options. We can do 2 stems, which is vocal and playback, or vocals and then everything else. Or we can do up to 4 stems, which is what we'll do. And then we'll get vocals, drums, bass, and instruments. So check this out. Now I'll play back.
I can bear.
I can solo just the vocals.
Her laughter's a ghost that haunts these halls.
Just the drums, for example.
Just my call.
Just the bass, all in real time here. And then everything else. And because everything's in this mix rack, we can then add a bunch of different plugins, either Waves plugins or even other VST3 plugins directly here, right on just the stems or the parts of the song that we want.
She's gone, like the
So if I just wanted to rebalance it real quick,
wind through the trees.
you can pull the vocal down, drums, bass, etc., all pretty self-explanatory. You also have your sensitivity knob here. Adjust that if you want it to focus more on, say, the vocals here to make sure they're really separated better.
Left me down on my knees.
We can pan.
Every sunrise feels.
We can change the overall width just by clicking right here and dragging the width of that there, or even invert it. I'll do Alt-click to set this stuff back to the original. Mute and solo, all pretty simple to figure out here.
Like a cruel disguise. She's gone.
So maybe for the bass, let's narrow it a bit.
The clock keeps ticking.
So
But time.
for this, the vocal needs to pop a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll come in here and we could do like an EQ or something, but I think I already know what I want. I want Magma Channel Strip. This is great for just bringing out the essence of really anything that you put it on, just driving it a little bit, right?
I'm staying still. Her absence cuts deeper than any chill.
So I'm gonna pull it out a little.
The old truck saddle, her seats left bare. She's gone.
There it is.
But I see her
So there it is. We've already pulled out the vocal, and just the vocal without touching anything else.
on, but I see her everywhere. I whisper her name into the night, hoping the stars might carry my plight.
But now it needs like some reverb or delay, right? So we can use another plugin here. Got plenty of spaces here, plenty of rack space for tons of different effects. Let's go for, I think we'll go for Space Writer, and we'll use my famous preset, the preset, which you can download from the Space Writer video. You just select either the preset 1 or the preset 2, and it's pretty much the presets that you're going to use 90% of the time. So
But the heavens stay silent, and I'm here alone. She's gone, and it chills me to the bone.
there it is. So now all together.
The light left me down on my knees. Every sunrise feels like a cruel disguise. She's gone, and I can't.
I can bypass the plugins on that channel right here.
Through the trees, took the light, left me down on my knees. Every sunrise feels like a cruel disguise.
That's why I really love Magma Channel, right? Just a little bit of that drive just breaks it up the tiniest bit, just exciting those harmonics and just pulls everything out. One of the easiest plugins to use if you really want to just pull something out without just using like a standard EQ or something. Sounds very natural, but this review is not about Magma channel. So it sounds great already, but maybe on these drums, I kind of want maybe also some reverb on that snare so it blends a little bit better.
See her everywhere.
Right? It sounds dry. So what we'll do is this, since we don't have an individual snare channel, what do you say we do a multi-band split? I'm going to pull, check this out here, just solo the drums. I just want that slap of the snare. Separate that a little bit more. Okay, I think that should work. So then we will grab a reverb effect and let's go Abbey Road plates. And I'll probably just go for a preset here. They have tons of presets. Here's a snare preset, maybe large snare. Let's check this out. Put that wet down. Pre-delay down a bit. Drive it a little bit more. There we go. Now it sounds like it's in the same space as that vocal. It's not nearly as dry. And we're just applying that to this upper part above 422 hertz in this place. In this case, make sure I turn on that other channel so we get the full drums. There we go. There we go.
I'm here alone, she's gone, and it chills me to the bone. She's gone, like the wind through the trees, took the light.
Now the bass is already pretty good, but let's say I really want to push that bass. Well, we could come in here and try some bass plugin. Let's see what we got here. I'll just type in bass, go for CLA bass. By the way, we could also just use like full presets here. Could come in here, go to bass, and find full. You got tons of presets over here as well. Loads up a bunch of different plugins right there, but we don't want those on this. So I'll just remove this plugin, remove all of these plugins here. I could just choose remove all plugins. It will pull everything off of that channel. Anyway, back over here to the bass. All we need to do is we're gonna pump that bass a little bit just to make it hit a little bit harder.
Lift me down on my knees every sun.
Really hit that sub. And CLA bass is so simple to use, man. So simple to use. Just a few little sliders here and on the sub. There, it just hits a little bit harder.
Like the wind through the trees, took the light, left me down on my knees every sunrise.
And bypass everything.
Feels like a cruel disguise. She's gone and I can't. Left me down on my knees every sunrise. Feels like a cruel disguise. She's gone and I can't say goodbye.
All right, so that is rebalancing a full song, but there's a ton more stuff that you can do with Mix Unlock. So check this out. Right here, I have a loop. All right. I don't like the melody. I don't like any of the instruments, but I love the drums, okay? Now let's say I already have some other loops down here and they need drums. Right, sounds cool, but it needs drums. So I'm gonna take the drums from this first loop and then put them with our other loops. So of course we'll put Studio, I just call it Studio Rack, but it's called StudioVerse Audio Effects. StudioVerse is free, by the way. The audio effects plugin, you can get that for free. And I already have it on here. I've already selected the mix unlock. So let's check this out here. Right. Now in this case, all we really need to do is solo the drums, which since we don't care about anything else. Change up that sensitivity a bit. Get a little bit of bleed through, but I think it's gonna be okay. So, you know, I could put effects on here if I want. I could put effects over here if I want. I could then make, you know, macros and stuff like that too. That's more about how StudioVerse works, but let's just focus on our drums here. All right. So we just soloed the drums. Let's pop them in with our other loops. Perfect. Oh yeah. So we totally changed that loop by reusing drums from a different loop. Again, here's the original full loop. We turned it into this. Pretty cool, right? Now there's no direct out here, so I could actually have the drums as an audio file, but depending on how your DAW works, it's actually pretty simple to do. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say I wanna literally pull those drums out like other stem separators that are offline, being that this is online. We would either have to route a track out and record it to another track, or if your DAW has it, which this one does, I'm just gonna bounce it basically in place. So of course we have our drums soloed here, okay? Then in Studio One, Studio Pro, all I have to do is right click and I'll say bounce to new track. It's gonna run that through the plugin. And in this case, give me just the drums because that's all we had soloed. So now I literally have that stem as an audio file that I can then move around, chop up, use however I want, right? Boom, that's simple, folks. So then, of course, bring in our other loops. And then work as normal. You know, you can put whatever effects you want directly on the track instead of using StudioVerse. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with StudioVerse, man. Another way you might want to use StudioVerse is in your NLE, in your video editor. So let's say you have the perfect song for a certain section of whatever video you're working on, but let's say the vocals are conflicting with the dialogue. And I already have StudioVerse here with Mix Unlock. I've got my Magma Strip and Space Writer on here, right? So if those vocals are conflicting with the dialogue, simple, pull them out, right? Pull them out or pull them down, adjust them however you want. Then your dialogue isn't gonna be conflicting with the vocals of a song, but you don't have to go out and try to find a different song that fits with the video that you're making, you know? Same thing for obviously all the other parts of a song, you know? If the bass is conflicting with something, the drums, the instrument, whatever it is. Pull those out. You'll make remixes. Let's say we want to make this more of just like an instrumental without the drums or the bass. Just have the instruments, vocals. Then bring those in later on, right? But another thing we could do, there's a pretty cool piano in here. That will be on the instruments. So let's do this here. I'm actually going to bounce this out. We'll say bounce to new track with just the instruments soloed. And here's just those instruments. Okay. So then what I'll do, and pretty much every DAW has this ability, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say extract notes. And this is essentially going to turn the audio into MIDI. And here it is. You just put a default instrument on there. Right, but then I can grab whatever, say, piano instrument that I want, throw it on here, then I would essentially have that piano track extracted from that original song by first using Mix Unlock to solo just sort of that instrument or piano part, and then turning just that piano part into MIDI, and then maybe throwing Contact on there with an actual, piano plugin. Of course, you probably have to go in here and adjust some of these notes here. Of course, you can get as crazy as you want with this. I mean, you could even, if you wanted to, you could come in here maybe. And don't forget, you can use other VST3 plugins, not just the Waves one, right? But maybe I wanted to come in here and do something crazy, like put Waves harmony, just on that vocal, right? Right, but you can get as crazy as you want by splitting those stems apart. So of course I have a link for this in the description below, folks. Go check it out. Use your Mix Unlock to change things up, not just rebalance songs, although it works just fine for rebalancing things, getting more creative with things, adding reverbs or delays to vocals, snares, really pumping up that bass. But that's something else that's really cool, that you could do, is really pump up that bass. Pump bass writer on this here. Right, just it gives it a different feel with that bass really just popping through. Or pull the bass out completely, right? Really whatever you want to do right here with Mix Unlock. So again, folks, I have a link for it in the description below. Go check it out for yourself.
Sous la lune je me perds, les étoiles pleurent dans le ciel. Une brise murmure doucement, les souvenirs me brisent.